Let's go. Okay, we're all set. Let's go. Morning, another free fly session. Now it's 5:40 in the morning. Today the site is the easy set in my point of view. It's if we judge a site from 1 to 10, 1 is the easiest. I think this site is around 5. The name is Dampa Seaside. It's actually a seafood market. You'll see it later. It's very wide view, but the only thing is that there's a river along the sides, so it's still possible that your birds will drop in the river. It happens before for the small birds. It's so sad. So we'll see later. Time to set up my GPS. Pocket link first. Antenna. And the battery of the GPS, the turbo GPS, let's say. I use this split ring to lock it to the training ring on the bird's leg. This is the first one. When you see the light, it's turned on, it's okay. And he will try to start to find the signal. Today, it's good, I think. It'll be easy. Hey, wait. Okay. The thick one is for Macau, for Nova. The thin one is for African Grey Loopy. Yeah, they're trying to connect. 2. Still not connected. Just wait. Because it's still last time's it's Wednesday's position in the motors. So we just wait. Normally it takes like 30 seconds to 1 minute or something to get a signal and the current location. When it's connected, you can see it's beeping. Yeah, let's wait. Yeah, I said earlier this place, it's a wide view, it's good. The only thing here is that there are always a lot of planes flying over. And I think it's a good thing to train your birds to get used to this kind of noise. Yeah, so I think it's an entry-level place. Maybe not even 5. 3 or 4, I think. Yeah, 3 or 4. It's a good place. And it's really, really near in the center of the city, in Pasay. It's a good one. Only dangerous thing is the river and also the smell. You can get along. Luffy is trying to compete with the green wing. It's not possible, but good thing he tried. Luffy! Luffy! Good.
No one need a pair.
I had no money.
I don't believe you.
You buy for a girl. Let's make a pair. Oh, good.
Tubo! Kakita ka.
Hey. No, it's good. Noah 飞得真棒。Coming back. Noah coming back. Oh yeah. Good. Right? Very far away.
Where?
Ayan na naman. Ayun. Lalayo na naman.
Si Lupi?
Yeah.
Kala ko pa nawala yung kay chairman na AGP.
Yung isa yung baba.
It's okay, I have GPS. As long as Luffy fly with another AGP, especially male, they're gonna fly far away, like there, over there. You can see it. And in the map, we can see it's already around 400 meters away from me. Yeah, that's their thing. I think we talk about this. We all think that they're trying to compete with each other. That's why they fly far away. But the problem is that sometimes when they're trying to compete, they forget how to get back. They don't know where the owners are. So that's why sometimes they get lost. Yeah, good. Coming back. Male or female? I forgot. Male or female? Male, yeah. Male. The male is competing. Try to compete. Compete. Now, there. Another one. The other one. Luffy is still flying. I guess Luffy is tired. Luffy's back. Ah. Oh, good. Luffy's back. The other one is still flying. Good. Yeah, okay. This morning is really a lot of people here. A lot of friends, a lot of birds. People friend and birds friend, you can see. We have around 13 cars, like 40 people, I guess. And birds, I guess maybe 30 big birds, something like 30. It's a good morning, good Sunday morning. For friends. Oh. Yeah, later we're gonna set up the birds flying this direction. Yeah, I'm just here to set up everything.
Ready, bitaw tayo. Saan tayo?
Yeah, direction, this one. Or where?
There.
Yeah.
At the back.
No, at the center of the people. We stand here. I want to film. Wait.
Come on, okay, dito. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
What happened? Oh, it's like at least 15 big parrot in the sky, and also there are some still on the land, like Nova. I don't know. We'll see.
Walang bumabag. Saan ba tayo sa video mo? Mamaya pa yan si Senji. May dalawa dun ha. Kasabay yan si Senji. Si Senji oh! Ay, Senji! Si Senji! May dalawa dun ha. Layo.
I don't know where is Luffy, actually. I really don't know. Oh, there is Luffy. I saw it's Luffy. I'm not sure. Let's see where is Luffy. Luffy is Luffy is here. Oh, Luffy is flying. Oh, okay. Luffy there, flying with another AGP. It's good. Oh, so many birds.
1, 2, 3,
Oh, so good. Yeah.
Tinabay mo sa'yo, Jed? Oo. Tinatabi mo sa malalakas, ha?
Yeah, let's see where they go.
Wala.
Yeah, I can see them on the map. Actually, I can see Noah. It's over there. Yeah. Noah. Noah is coming back. No, Luffy. I don't know where is Luffy. I can see him flying. And also some corners. Luffy is flying with another ADP. I think it's a male. That's why. He can fly longer and farther. Luffy, oh. Luffy is good. Luffy. Let's take a video after this.
Bilis. Ayan na eh. Okay.
Ay, hindi mo kami, oh.
1, 2, 3, go!
Ay, ang ganda rin yan, oh. Ganda rin sa ano niya, oh.
So good, so good. Yeah. So good.
May tukod na nga yun sa akin eh.
It's already there since last time. It's okay. I can see Noah. Where's Noah? Yeah, Noah's back. Yeah, I can see him. Noah's coming back.
Nahayasin oh.
Noah, 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 Noah. Ah, yes. Good.